helping me cook it tonight. So Hannah, can you tell me what you're doing?
So you have to break the leaves off there, and then you can sometimes cook with this sometimes, but right now we're just cooking with the leaves.
Yes, so the stems are bitter, so you want to do what Hannah's doing here. Take all of the leaves off of there. Then you're going to tear them up and you're going to put them in a pot. So in the bottom of this pot we have a little bit of butter and some ham that we're cooking. Bacon works wonderful too. So we're going to cook this down for a little bit. Then we're going to add some chicken broth. We're going to let it boil for a little bit, get really nice and tender, about 25 minutes, and then it's ready to eat. And then Hannah, what are you doing with the leftover stems?
So you can, if you have a garden, to get worms, you could just break the stems off, put it in a box or anything you have, and put it in a jar, and make it a
Compost pile. Yeah, so then she's going to take the bucket out for the compost pile where we're just trying to make our dirt richer for our garden as well as grow a worm farm. So a little gardening from our house today. All right, Hannah's doing the next step. We've wilted the leaves a little bit, so she's adding some chicken stock, about half of that. And then we'll add some water too. Red Russian kale is an awesome plant to grow in Central Florida. This plant keeps producing over and over again for us, and we just love it. And I planted it in the fall for a fall garden. Most of the greens go in the fall. But our summer garden is already in, and it's just the gift that keeps on giving. So I highly recommend it for Central Florida gardening. So Maddie just added the stems while we're waiting for everything to cook down to the compost pile. And we just dump our bucket out here. It has eggshells and just leftover peels, banana peels, or just stems of the food. Good job, Maddie. All right, so now we have boiled it for about half an hour, and we're gonna just scoop some out and let the boys do a taste test. Okay, girls. All right, Clint, have a taste. Give us a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Go ahead. Okay, let's go in. Daddy's gonna cool it just a little for you.
This is actually really good.
I want to eat some.
You can grow it right in your backyard, and it just keeps producing and producing.
I wanted to make fun of you, but I can't because it's good.
I got that on video. That's awesome news.
It's not hot.
I don't like it.
No.
All right, so we got 2 out of 3 who love it.
Whoa.
He's gonna have a little taste. Maddie, a thumbs up or a thumbs down from the mouth of babes. Maddie gives it a thumb up. Okay, Hannah.
She gave it a thumbs up.
I know.
Okay, I might.
That was her second bite, so.
No, it's my third bite.
Oh, your third bite.
that's a
It
bite,
was so
yeah.
good. And thumbs up or thumbs down? Thumbs up.
So good.
All right, not bad.
Maddie went for a second bite.
And Maddie's eating more. We got a 4 out of 5 thumbs up. Oh, they're gone. They're gone. There you have it. Central Florida gardening at its
Pretty
best.
darn good.
That was good.